Welcome to Lois and Elle, your online modest clothing boutique for women. This is something that I've always wanted to do as an avid online shopper. I'd love to own my own online store. It's just convenient for me and it would be convenient for customers also. And how it would work is there's no warehouse cost rent. Clothing would be stored in my spare bedroom. Advertising would be on Facebook and Instagram. Clothing models would be compensated with free clothing as far as the customer conveniency goes. They don't have to leave their house to get cute or modest clothes. Shipping is free if the purchase is $40 or more, and it's a more narrowed and specific search because all the clothing is going to be modest and affordable. Our target customers are going to be women between the ages of 12 to 35, the LDS community, mothers searching for modest clothing for their daughters, and busy college students who want cute clothes but don't have time to go shopping. As far as cost and pricing goes, wholesale shirts can cost from $2 and go up to about $10. That would be my price range that I'm looking for. The average shopper will buy 2 to 3 shirts per purchase. And in order to make $12 profit off of a shirt, I would use the following chart. And this is something that I would really like to actually invest in and watch it grow.